Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, before I proceed, I would like to thank Lian Li and Block Soda who have actually provided me this two unit here, the SL120 and the AL120. Especially to Block Soda, thank you very much. In fact, I've mentioned that I do not own a SL120 that belongs to a friend, so you have actually provided the additional set. Thank you very much. I'm gonna do the unboxing for today, which is actually on the AL120. It should be the same component, or should I say slightly different? Let's see. Now, first off, you have these three cables over here. I believe these are the fan cables to be connected to the unit itself, the fan unit, that comes with a 4-pin PWM connector and a aRGB, I would say JS03 connectors. You have three of them. The menu itself, the three fans, which I'm going to take it out and have a look later, and the accessories. The accessories box comes with sponges like this for the control unit, whereby they are magnetic. One of them is actually magnetic, whereby you paste it over here, then you can actually just magnet on your case itself. Pretty handy. And this is actually just a double-sided sponge. Probably you can actually mount it at the bottom of a case, or even to the stamp of the AL120. Now, I noticed that the control unit itself, right, there is this AL controller. I believe that Lian Li doesn't want you to actually confuse using these fans, right, on the SL controller. And I believe it's of a different firmware as compared to the SL. That's why they indicate here AL. Now, the very first version of the SL120, right, it doesn't state SL or AL. It's only later part they have actually indicated that the control unit, right, is either SL or AL, which you can see over here. This is actually the SL. See, you have the SL over here, and this is the AL. Having to say this, right, maybe on the next video I'll actually dismantle this and to check on the amperage and to let you guys know. Now, the accessory comes, it's the same. Comes with the, this is the aRGB extension, whereby you connect this to the controller and to the motherboard. And there's another connector where you can actually connect to the LED strips, or the Lian Li case where you have these strips, right? Especially for the O11D XL case, you have these strips that you can control on the panel itself. You can make use of this. Then the Sata Power, whereby you draw power from the PSU and connect to your new unit that provides the power on this controller, and in terms providing to these fans, I mean the power itself and the aRGBs. And it comes with fan screw. This is pretty neat. Okay, let's see what these fans are like. Now, due to the time limit, right, I have limited time to actually do this video. Just that I wanted to show you guys that, I'm excited to have this unit itself. Okay, let me just stick out this fans itself. I will not go into the aRGB, that will be in another video, but just to show you that how these fans are structured. Now, comparing the fans of the AL and SL, right, let me just, probably I'll just leave this here. Let me just grab the SL fan. I noticed something different. Alright, let me just grab. Now, based on the AL and XL, okay, this is something interesting. I should have actually unboxed the SL too. Now, The SL unit itself, right now, the older version, it doesn't come with this kind of stickers. So I guess the newer version, they came with this sticker so that you can tape over here at this frame here. Now, the difference that I find is, in fact, looking at the diameter of the fan itself, the AL is bigger, as in like the diameter itself. This is smaller. So my guess is that it will generate more air with bigger blades. Well, I will test this out on my next video, some of my videos I should say. Then the logo seems bigger. Okay, I like this. Now the rubber garments on the fan frame itself, on the AL itself, this is actually quite flush. Not say flush, I mean it's like you won't peel easily. As compared to this, this will peel off in time, the SL. But it's still a good product though, as in like the lightings. I like the lightings. Now the AL itself, looking at the frame in front, they have deep concealment. As you can see, there are no wires over here. As compared to the SL, there's wires over here. And of course this ugly label that a lot have been complaining. So on the AL itself, nope, it's just a straight silver cover, which is pretty nice. In fact, I like the AL more elegant in a way that the way that they built the brushed aluminium frame over here. It matches. This will definitely match well with the Galahad AIO. Sleek. Not that I do not like this, but it's just that there are cases whereby it peels off. So yeah. Besides this, as I mentioned that on the SL itself, this is actually the LED strips. The only thing that is lack of is only the fan itself does not have aRGB. But for the AL, it does, and it gives additional features like the lightings over here, and the round, I should say the round frame over here. It does give off LEDs, and it will be nice, if not too complicated, if they can actually include this strip, this kind of strip, thin strips at the side. It will be nice. I believe the mechanism itself, will be almost the same. Let me just see the mechanism. No, slightly different. As you can see, the AL and the XL is different. Yep, different. I don't think this will go in based on the groove itself. So a very smart move. I was actually wondering that, based on the different firmware that these two fans have, is it compatible to actually plug the SL together with the AL? So they have actually cleared my doubt. This is a good point whereby you won't confuse the controller itself, or should I say burn out the controller, based on the fact that SL daisy chain and the AL daisy chain is not compatible. They only meant for connecting to the similar set of fans. Which one thing that I really impressed by Lian Li's product. When I first got the SL unit, I'm actually totally impressed because of the control unit and the precaution that they have taken care on the aRGB department. And same goes to the AL itself. They know that this is going to be on the firmware 2.0, and you can't just plug an SL into it. Say it's not possible. I can try, but I don't think it can fit. See, it doesn't fit. It doesn't allow me to push in, not at all. See, no matter how I force, I can't, because as I mentioned, this is taller as compared to this. If you can take a closer look. See, that's the reason why. And it's a good point whereby, as I mentioned, the current, the program is slightly different between the SL and the AL. So they make it this way so that connection is this way. Pretty neat. Alright, as I mentioned that they have actually done this, reason being, the control itself, I believe there's a limitation to it. just like the SL, and they do not want end user to plug the SL fan to the AL fans. So this is one good point. All right, there we have it, guys. I've actually done the unboxing. Further on, right, I will try to actually find more time to do more reviews regarding about this, the control unit itself, the amperage drawn, and such. There you have it, a quick unboxing on the Lian Li AL120. I promise to dig into it and to share more information with you with the next video. Now, for those of you who are actually new to this channel, welcome to my channel. I've actually done a series of the old unit, which is actually the SL120. If you're curious to know, click on the top right hand corner where I'll just leave the link over there. And do remember to subscribe and to click on the notification bell button. Till then, take care, goodbye, see ya.